a lot for staying with Republic TV. Let's also get you a quick update on what the Finance Minister has said after GST Council meeting. Some important discussions have taken place and some decisions have also been taken to extend some relief, especially to small businesses. Now, no late fees will be levied on registered entities with nil GST return filing from July 2017 to January 2020. These are some of the updates that we are getting right now. The Finance Minister has briefed the media after the GST Council meeting, in which, of course, there has been an effort made to ensure that there is some reduction in burden of GST filings, etc., as far as especially small businesses are concerned. Some of the other decisions that we're getting is also related to GST filings. What we're getting to know is that maximum late fee for non-filing of monthly GST sales return for July 2017 to January 2020 has also been capped at 500 rupees. Let's listen in. All right, before we get you more of what the Finance Minister... Before we get you more of what the Finance Minister has said, just a recap of some of the important decisions that have been announced by the Finance Minister to the media after GST Council meeting. No late fees to be levied on registered entities with nil GST return filing between July 2017 and January 2020. And even the maximum penalty has been capped at 500 rupees. We'll, of course, trying to gather more as far as the decisions that are concerned that have been taken, but effort has been to, of course, reduce some of the GST pressure and filing pressure on small businesses. Let's also now try and get you more details of the decisions that we're getting to know of. My colleague Niranjan is joining us. Niranjan, any more details that you gathered? Because we're getting to know that no late fees will be charged for registered entities with nil GST return filing between July 2017 and July 2020, and the maximum penalty has also been capped at 500 rupees. What more?
For small taxpayers, the turnover is up to rupees 5 crore. The rate of interest for late furnishing of GST returns for February, March and April 2020 beyond July 6, 2020, the rate of interest is being reduced from 18% to 9% per annum, and that is only till the 30th of September. I think we're getting in additional details that in July, which is on the request of all the ministers, there shall be a meeting to discuss exclusively a one-point agenda. Compensation cess, the compensation which has to be given to the states, and if at all it results in some kinds of borrowing, how and who is going to pay for it. Now, as far as the borrowings are concerned, the government has said on record that there's enough leeway for states to borrow, and many states have not utilized that option as well. So I think in the wake of some of the issues that were being discussed, especially in the wake of the RBI measures taken, Finance Minister's tax reforms that were announced post-COVID, these are some additional measures that are being discussed and announced.
Okay, Niranjan, I think we're getting one of those responses from the Finance Minister. She has detailed some of the steps that have been taken. Let's listen in.
First was a decision on reduction in late fee for past returns. Reduction in late fee for past returns. So, as a measure to clean up the pendency in return filing, late fee for non-furnishing of forms which are GSTR 3B. This relates to the period, tax period, July 2017 to January 2020. So this is not non-payment or non-return filing related to COVID period. It is well before it. So for the period beginning from July 2017 to January 2020, which is prior to the COVID period, a lot of return filing has been pending, and because the return filing goes in a sequence, unless you finish one, you can't go to the second, unless you finish the second, you can't go to the third. A lot of pipeline issues of getting clogged because they can't do the third before they complete the first. So such things have been pending for a long time. So on that, for all non-furnishing of GSTR 3B forms, there's been a decision taken, and decision is that for those nil liability, meaning for those who have no tax liability but who are just filing their return, there will be zero late fees. There won't be any late fees.